and today I am going to tell you about how to make a YouTube account. In my previous video I I told you about how to make a Google account, and now I am going to tell you about how to make a YouTube account. Open YouTube. Here you see a sign in option. Sign in. Click this and choose your account. Sign in. I gonna sign in. Wait a second. Click done, and now I am signed in. For make a YouTube account, click this and a creator studio. Here the option start to create a channel. Click this. Name your channel. Name your YouTube channel and then click create a channel. Uh, he called that no video were found. First of all, verify account. To verify account, upload a video, anything of any one topic. Select file. Choose the video. I select this. You may add video title, description, tags. When the video is going to upload here. Wait a second. Processing has just done. Title your video. Enter description. I write please subscribe my channel. Tag. I say because my video is associated with nature, so I enter tag natural video. Sorry, natural video. Select your category. My category is public. Now choose the thumbnail. I choose this. Now there is saving draft. Here is your video's URL. Publish this video, and you will share this video on that you have. Return to editing. Open video manager. Here is your creator studio. Here is the views, likes, dislikes, and messaging. There is a dashboard. Got it. There is no views, no subscribers because you had after a few minutes ago you published a video. After time to time, the views has increased. Live streaming are not enabled. Get started, and it takes 24 hours. Enter your phone number. Enter. I choose it's verified. And there is a copyright status, community guidelines status. I will make a new video and full video about copyright status and community guidelines. Now my uploading is enabled, monetizing is not enabled, live streaming is not enabled, embedded live stream is ineligible. First of all, monetizing is needed, so enable monetization. And now you can read the content, but I did not. Apply for monetizing, start. Take all the blogs and hit accept. And my YouTube partner program terms accepted. Sign in for AdSense. Click next. Choose the account to make an AdSense account. Click no, yes, anything you want. Click yes. Select a country or territory. I'm in Pakistan, so I click Pakistan. Accept and create an account. Now it will bring me to Google AdSense. Get started. Account type, my account type is individual. Name of address, Aman Tanvir. Put your address here. City, Lahore, postal code. My postal code is. Enter your phone number. Actually, monetizing means the source to earn money from the YouTube. The Google send ads to our uploading videos and we make money through those ads. Now our AdSense requested are applied and set monetizing preference. These are the deadlines. These are the such a type of ads we could have on our videos. Now, the first step need about 1000 subscribers, 4000 hours, watch hours for our video, and then the monetizing should start. Now go to video manager. There is a video we have which was being installed. Go to the channel, monetization, upload defaults. There are default description. There are default description, title, all the thing. We got it. Select your language, English, and then save. You should write your own title and description and tags. The category you choose or as you wish. It is called branding, and which have a watermark. The watermark means that save. The watermark bring the video bottom where the option appeared subscribe, save. Start your time entire video. So your watermark appear here and show it and appear entire the video. Now click to advanced settings. Your contribution. There is nothing here because you just make an account at the time. And now you view your channel. Here is your name and their number of subscribers. Here there is no subscriber here. Customize your channel. Here you add your logo, picture, channel icon. Click done. Your channel icon have changed. Go back and add channel art. Add gallery. Choose. Here he shows that the appearance of our channel art on mobile, TV and desktop. We have a desktop, so we can view this ad as given and saving. Our channel art is saved, and now there are number of subscribers and settings. Click save. Now our channel icon had changed and channel art also had changed, and your YouTube channel had finished, and you can upload videos and enjoy. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and also write comments in the comment box.